This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to insert random numbers in Google Sheets. If you want to insert random numbers in Google Sheets, this is how you do it. The first way is to use the formula RAND. So that is equal and then RAND for RAND. And this will generate a number between 0 and 1. And after you type RAND, all you need to do is put your parentheses there, and it will generate a random number between 0 and 1. Then you can click on that circle in the lower right-hand corner of the cell and drag it down to as many rows that you need. The second way to insert random numbers is to insert a random number that fits between 2 integers or 2 numbers. For example, if I want to produce a number between 1 and 20, what you would do is you would use the formula RAND between. So that is equal RAND between. And then you're going to put a parentheses there and then place your lowest number first, followed by a comma and your highest number second, and then enclose those parentheses. Here you see that it generated the number 7. And like I did with the previous formula, you click on the circle in the lower right-hand corner of the cell and drag it down as much as you need to do. And you'll see that each of these cells have a random number between 1 and 20. The third way to insert random numbers is useful when you're trying to use numbers with decimal points. And with this formula, what you're going to want to do is type equal RAND, and then you're going to put 2 parentheses there because that represents the random number that you're going to generate. Then you're going to put an asterisk there and then space, another parentheses, and then you want to put the highest number that you want. So if I want 20 to be my highest number, I would put that first. Then you're going to subtract it from the lowest value that you want. So if I want my lowest number to be 5.01 because I want the random number to be above 5, that's what I would put. And then enclose that parentheses, then add a space plus the value of the lowest number again. And now I have a number that is between 5.01 and 20 that also includes decimal points. Again, if I want to expand that to other cells, click the circle and drag it down. And as you can see, all of these numbers are higher than 5, but lower than 20. Please note that when you use a formula, that number is not actually there. So every time there is some sort of change in the spreadsheet, that number is going to change. So if you want these numbers to be permanent, you're going to need to highlight the column or highlight the cells that contain that formula. Then you're going to want to copy and paste special, pasting the values that will put the values the formula generated in those cells permanently. So now when I double click on each of the cells, the actual values are there and not the formula. So this video shows you 3 ways to insert random numbers in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.